At Rainforest Cafe, and here's my stuff. But first, I have to show you Megan. She's doing a trend right now. Can we get in?
You can't.
Oh man. Here's my drink. It's a little froggy in the Rainforest Club. And it came with. So, where'd you put my frog? Is this my frog? Or is this Reagan's frog?
I'm trying to get in the video.
That's mine.
Stop.
Here's my frog I got. And it like goes with it. It goes down here. You can put a stock down here. It's like really cute. Here's the nachos we got. They're half taken because they're so good. There's like
Liquid cheese is good.
stuff. And then there's my dad. He's getting in the way. Dad, can you just like duck? And then there's a big tree. There's a monkey back there. And just get up. There's some stuff. There's stuff on the ceiling. And there's stuff here. And there's a monkey right there. And so yeah. There's a fish right there.
Oh, could we tell us if this boy yesterday?
I reach it.
I said you the
And Maddie's having sin.
Hey, Lexi, take a chip and show us
Bring it.
Delicious. Good? Yes.
Hey. Bon appetit.